everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to make Kuih Talam Labu. It is a pumpkin cake with coconut milk. It's a steamed layer cake and it is traditional Malaysian snack. So let's go and do it. To make this Kuih Talam Labu, you need sugar, pumpkin, tapioca flour, coconut milk, sago pearls, all-purpose flour, salt, water. So for the measurement for all these ingredients, please look at my description box. Okay, these are the ingredients for the top layer. So for that we need tapioca flour, rice flour, coconut milk, water, sugar and salt. All this measurement, please look at my description box. So you have to soak the tapioca pearls in the water for about 30 minutes. So these are the pumpkin. So we're going to steam the pumpkin about 30 to 40 minutes until it's soft. Steam the pumpkin for about 30 minutes. Sift all the dry ingredients. So this is a tapioca flour. This is a all-purpose flour. Salt and sugar. So I have brown sugar. It's your preferences, so you can use white sugar as well. So sift all the ingredients. Okay, I'm gonna add the coconut milk. And 50 ml of water. Mix everything together. You have to mix everything until the sugar and there is no lumps in the batter. Okay, the pumpkin is been steamed and it's ready. I'm gonna smash the pumpkin. So I'm adding the pumpkin into the batter now, along with the sagu. So I have drained the sagu, which I soaked for 30 minutes. Okay, so mix everything together. Stop now. Okay, so this is the mold to steam the Kuih Talam. So I have this mold, and then I also have the small one. I'm gonna also put some oil in it. Okay, now I'm going to do the top layer, the coconut layer. So for that we need a rice flour, and this is the tapioca flour, sugar, salt, coconut milk. This is water. Mix everything together. Okay, so the bottom layer is ready. So I'm going to add in the top layer. So slowly scoop and just pour it on top of it. Okay, so I have taken out the cake from the steamer. So it's still hot. We have to wait until it cools down and then we can cut it. Okay, the kuih talam has been cooled down, so I'm gonna cut. Okay, kuih talam labu is ready to be served, and then it goes well during the tea time. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe my channel. Bye.